Hey guys, it's Dima from DimusTech, and today we're going to try to install the Xclear Pro Glass Hydrophobic protector for the GoPro 7 Black in our case. So we have here the GoPro 7. Now, as you've seen already, I have now the GoPro 8, but sadly I ordered it before actually I thought about it, and I thought that maybe the 7th version will fit the GoPro 8. And as you can see, I already opened it. To be honest, I was planning to do that video on the GoPro 8, but sadly, as you probably already understand, this thing doesn't exactly fit. The lens is a little bit a different size, so keep that in mind if you think that the older Xclear will fit the GoPro 8. Sadly, it won't. And that's okay, because I do want to leave the GoPro 7 with me and I will be using it as well. So for a moment, I'll install the Xclear on the GoPro 7. Now, what is the Xclear? So basically, that's a lens protector and a screen protector. You can order other types of packages that they have, and it's a hydrophobic protector. What that means, when you go swimming with your GoPro and you take it out from the water, you will actually have sometimes some droplets here on the lens, and it might ruin your video. And that did happen to me at first. I actually noticed pretty quickly, cleaned the lens and continued, but then I didn't notice that it happened again, and some of the footage pretty much is gone. I mean, if you notice that, it's okay. There are some methods to overcome this, but honestly, probably the best is this one. So, first of all, let's see, the GoPro is sealed. What I'm going to do now is actually put, first of all, the GoPro in some water. We have here some water that I brought with me. Just a small box. I'm going to try and get some droplets on the GoPro. Let's try to dunk it a little bit. As you can see, they do smoothly go away, but sometimes they actually stuck. And honestly, right now it doesn't. Okay, now you can see that some water is stuck here, and pretty much it will go mostly away, but it does go a little bit slowly. That's kind of hard to show it on the camera, but that's pretty much what happens. So let's wipe the GoPro and try to install it. So in order to ease the process for me, I'm not going to show you how to install it, because it's pretty much simple, you know, as every other screen protector for your phone. You pretty much have your alcoholic pad, you have some sticks in order to remove dust, you have your cloth to clean the lens and the screen, you have both of the protectors, and that's pretty much it. You peel one side, put it on, peel the other side if it has, I'm not really sure, I think not. Then you go to the other one, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. So let me pause the video and we'll continue after I installed it. That installation went miss and go, let's say. First of all, notice the screen protector? I don't. It's pretty much invisible. It fits perfectly. It was easy to install. In one shot, everything went great. Sadly, the screen protector on the back, I don't know, it looks lower quality. It doesn't fit perfectly the screen, I would say. And I did mess it up a little bit here. As you can see, I had to peel it for a moment because I didn't put it exactly correct. But that's pretty much my mistake. So this thing should be good for water. And let's go back to our water and see how it will react this time. In this test, pretty much, it's hard to show the difference. Let's try to dunk it first, as always. And honestly, I already see the difference. There is nothing left on it. It's hydrophobic, as it is called, and nothing is left on the lens. It's really hard to show, but okay, now you see a little bit, but that's okay. That's not that big bubbles and droplets that you'd see on normal usage. So that's kind of good. And right now you do still see some droplets, because that's not exactly how it intended to use. But as you can see, it's kind of easier to remove them. And that's exactly the point. There's a bigger chance that it will save your videos. Besides that, that's also a screen protector first of all. So that's kind of awesome, it will protect you and it should be pretty good to go. Now, I know the camera is a little bit wet, let's move a little bit the water. What I'm going to show you now, we are going to turn on the camera. I just want to make sure that the screen still works well, that everything is working. Yeah, everything is pretty much working. Now, my fingers are also wet, but it works really normal. Well, obviously, I'm a little bit wet, but that's kind of okay. Yeah, all the settings work okay, everything is the same. No need to worry that you won't be able to use the touch screen or something because of that screen protector. Oh wow, that was noisy. So that's the Xclear, a hydrophobic pro glass protector for your GoPro, and I really hope that they already have a version for the GoPro 8 or they will soon release one, because I really want that on the GoPro 8. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.